Yeah.
We'll be making a delicious chocolate ganache cake. This is my sister's favorite recipe, so let's get right into the video. First up, we take 4 eggs and 1 cup sugar. Now we're going to beat this together till it's light and fluffy. Now I'm going to add in 1/4 cup oil, and we're going to slightly beat it. Now I'm going to add in 1/2 cup milk. Make sure it's at room temperature. Now I'm going to slightly beat this together. 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. I'm going to add in 1½ cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 2 tablespoons cocoa powder. Just mix this together, and then we're going to sift all our ingredients in it. But we're going to add in gradually. We add in half. Now we're going to mix the half in. We're going to fold the flour in. Just make sure we do it in one direction, just like this. Whichever way you choose to do it, just keep it in one direction. Now I'm going to serve the rest of the flour. And again we're going to fold this together in one direction. The last step, I'm going to take a 1/2 teaspoon of instant coffee and mix it with water. This step is totally optional. You can choose to leave it out. But this just gives the cake a great taste. So just mix it together till it's smooth, and then you add it to the batter. But if you don't have coffee, you can totally leave this out. Then just mix this together, and then our batter is completely ready to bake. Now I'm going to bake this at 180 degrees in a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a crispy comes out clean. It's perfectly baked in just under 25 minutes. You can see the crispy comes out perfectly clean. Now I'm going to top this with chocolate ganache, my favorite. A bowl on top of the boiling water. The bowl mustn't touch with the water at the bottom. I'm going to add 1 ton cream, let's just heat this up. This is a very easy way to make chocolate ganache with just 2 simple ingredients. Just stir this on top of the water. To add in 2 slabs of dairy milk chocolate. You guys can use any milk chocolate or dark chocolate. The cream is completely hot. Now I'm going to add the chocolate. Adding in the pieces so it easily melts down. Now I will just mix this together till the chocolate completely melts. This might take a while, so just be patient. Now after mixing about for 5 minutes, you can see the ganache is perfectly ready. It looks so delicious. You can add this on top of cakes, or you can refrigerate it and on top of your cupcakes. Just so easy to make with 2 simple ingredients. Your color may be different according to the chocolate you added. I added in dairy milk as it tastes the best. You can see it's so easy and simple to make and makes any recipe look so delicious just with the topping of the ganache. I made my chocolate ganache with dairy milk chocolates. Let's top the cake with this decadent chocolate ganache. My chocolate ganache cake is ready. The chocolate ganache is looking so glittery and shiny. It's so easy to make. I just topped it with chocolate shavings, and this is also chocolate and some glitter on the side. I cannot wait to have this cake with my sister. This cake is so rich with chocolate, it definitely doesn't look too good for my diet. But please do share, like and subscribe this video. See you guys next time.
Thank you.